Respected principal, respected principal ma'am, manager sir, worthy teachers and all my fellow mates. Good morning. This is me, Aradhya Bhatt from class 7 Lotus, going to deliver a debate in favor of the motion. Is the dream of Uttarakhand statehood movement activists really fulfilled? The primary demand of statehood achieved when Uttarakhand became a separate state in 2000, providing regions more control over its affairs. This has enabled government to work towards states' specific needs. Over the years, the state has been seen increased investment, which would not be possible without statehood. The government has taken steps to recognize the contribution of statehood activists to the reservation in government jobs, which acknowledge their sacrifice and efforts. Since statehood, the government has seen increased investment in infrastructure and religious policies through the initiatives like Freedom of Religious Amendment Bill that introduces tougher penalties for forced religious conversion. Not only this, but government has also improved infrastructure through the policies like Uttarakhand Mega Industrial and Advancement Policies, Startup Ecosystem, Uttarakhand IT Policy, Anti-Cheating Law, and many more. And through the systemic reforms like digitalization and e-governance. And result we can see that the state's GDP has increased from 12,000 crores to 3.5 lakh crore. Forest cover has increased from 64% to 70%, and road network has increased from 8,000 to 40,000 kilometers. So at the end, I want to conclude that statehood movement shows the courage of citizens, but to reach Uttarakhand in its full potential, it requires more effort, which will surely be fulfilled in upcoming years. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.